Welcome back to Handy Andy. Today, as I said, we're going to be doing another Lego. This one is actually for my director at work. He's really big into space. This is the Saturn V Ideas Kit by Lego. The Ideas Kit basically is that someone outside of Lego came up with the design, and then they went and asked them if they could then produce a kit, and this is the kit that they produced. It is number 21309. It has 1,996 parts, and it's for supposedly age 12 and above. I would imagine a 12-year-old could do this if they had the focus. I'm going to be opening it up right now and looking at what's inside. I'll change the angle of the camera so we get more of the table here so we can look at it. So give me a second. Now, I imagine this kit here is very much like I've seen before, that they are going to be multiple bags with numbers. Something this big, that's usually what they do. So just open it up. Let's see what's in here. Alright. Alright, open it up first. And again, so... oh well. We got the instruction manual. It's one thick one. That's pretty surprising. Usually something this big will usually come with 2 or 3. This one's just very thick, but that's okay. Yep, that's the entire manual. If we look up at the beginning of the manual, it has some cool information about the Apollo mission, some really cool black and white photos. It's usually the ideas section. It explains that, the different series and stuff like that. So if we go to the first book, you can see it gives you the basic instructions. So if we look here, looks like bag 1 through 6 does the main portion of the Saturn V rocket. Then 7 through 10 will do the upper section. Then 11 will be the next stage. 12 will be the stand and the landing lunar module and so forth. Looks pretty intense. I'm not sure how long this is going to take me. So let's get going here, right? With me actually saying get going, what I'm going to do is I'm going to switch over to the GoPro, running a better time lapse than last time. And this is going to be multiple sessions. I probably won't be able to get this done today. So stick with it. I will probably put all the videos in one, and I'll end it with when it's finished, alright? So thanks for tuning in, and let's see this build. that's the build. It wasn't too bad. It took me about 3 days. Did about an hour each time. As you saw, well, 3 hours and 41 minutes is what it took me to do it. So not too bad, I think. Pretty decent kit. It weighs quite a bit. And it comes apart in the stages. So stage 1, 2, and then 3. So it's pretty cool. I like it. I would recommend it for anybody that wants to try it. With that, I hope you like this Lego build, and handy Andy, over and out.